Hi, I'm Rebecca from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we've got an exciting topic to dive into: metallic epoxy coatings. We'll uncover the magic behind these coatings, discussing their incredible benefits, unique features, and the breathtaking aesthetics they offer. So stick around to learn if this flooring solution is right for you. What are metallic epoxy coatings? Let's start by unveiling the essence of metallic epoxy coatings. These coatings are more than just a pretty surface. They're a blend of art and science. Combining epoxy resins and metallic pigments, these coatings create a captivating 3D appearance, making floors truly spectacular. These coatings offer design versatility like no other. With a wide range of colors and metallic effects, you can unleash your creativity and design a floor that aligns perfectly with your vision, creating unique patterns. One of the most exciting aspects is the ability to create mesmerizing patterns. Skilled professionals can transform your floor into a work of art, replicating everything from flowing water to the beauty of natural stone. Glossy Elegance. A glossy finish adds elegance to any space, and metallic epoxy coatings deliver just that. Their mirror-like shine enhances the overall visual impact of your floor, making your space feel more open and inviting. The benefits of metallic epoxy coatings. Now that we're all captivated by metallic epoxy aesthetics, let's explore the numerous benefits these coatings have to offer. These coatings are not just visually appealing, they're exceptionally durable. They can withstand heavy foot traffic, impact, and abrasion, perfect for high-traffic areas like showrooms or garage floors. Metallic epoxy coatings offer resistance to chemicals, stains, and UV radiation. Everyday spills, foot traffic, or sunlight exposure won't tarnish the beauty of your floor, making them perfect for practical areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Unlike other flooring options, metallic epoxy coatings are built to last. You won't have to worry about frequent replacements or repairs, saving you time and money in the long run. Features that set metallic epoxy coatings apart. Metallic epoxy coatings offer unrivaled design versatility. With a wide range of color options and metallic effects, the possibilities are virtually endless. You can design a floor that aligns perfectly with your vision. Maintaining a stunning floor shouldn't be a hassle, and metallic epoxy coatings make sure of that. Cleaning is a breeze with their seamless, non-porous surface, saving you time and effort when cleaning up any spills. Worried about slipping? Metallic epoxy coatings can be tailored for safety without compromising aesthetics. You can have a floor that provides excellent traction even when wet, choosing the right flooring solution for you. So, are metallic epoxy coatings right for you? These coatings are a remarkable flooring solution offering benefits, aesthetics, and durability. Whether you're renovating your home or upgrading a commercial space, metallic epoxy coatings offer a flooring solution that goes beyond the ordinary. But wait, metallic epoxy coatings aren't the only option. Before making a decision, it's essential to explore all your options for a concrete coating. Check out the video linked above and below that outlines various concrete coating types like epoxy, polyurea, and more. Then you can make an informed choice on your space. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for expert tips on home improvement. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.